All right, guys, so today we're talking about the BMW i8. This car has been on my radar for a while. When it first came out, I think it was 2014, everybody was all buzzing about it. It kind of had a similar resemblance to the C8 Corvette. Everybody was all about it, right? It was gas electric, unlike the Corvette. It was something new, right? BMW's first mid-engine car. The only issue is the price is 150 grand starting out. So let's fast forward from 2014 to 2020. So 6 years later, right? There's been facelift version come out, a little bit different horsepower. We're what, 369 horsepower combined, but the engine itself is only 240-ish. And a lot of the issue is, you see the resale right now, about 50 to 70K. So it's about half of what it was when they were new. And that's not good. That does follow BMW's price plan, as you might say, of losing a lot of money. All right, so what's happened? Here's some of the issue. BMW's been hyping that car since 2009. All right, so the first release was 2014, 2015, and so right away, you already have 5-ish years of just hype, right? And Chevy did this with a Corvette, Toyota did it with the Supra. It's just too much. It's too many. It's too much, right? So by the time the car actually comes out, YouTubers already driven prototypes. All the buzz is already over, right? And with the Supra, they didn't hype it as much, I guess. Nobody even knew what it really looked like until it was almost out. That didn't go over too bad, but the sales in that car is kind of abysmal, right? And with you see guys like Cletus McFarlane at Street Speed 717 driving the C8 Corvette a year before it's released. Once you see a review or two of the car, you're like, okay, that's cool. They use the same engine they've always used for like 30 years in it. That's great. Next. And that's the same thing with the i8. Now, I had a different engine than anybody's ever used before, but once you see the car in whole, you don't like to just keep watching videos of it, right? And there's so much other stuff you could buy for 150 grand that is 8 times faster and is going to hold the resale value better, or multiple cars you could buy to total up to 150 grand. That's going to be a lot better for you. I think that's what some of the problem is. Now at 50 grand, right now they're on eBay for 50 grand, 55 grand. Is that a good deal? Well, I really don't think so. I think it's going to keep losing value to the point of 25 or 30 grand over the next few years. There just seems not to be a demand for that car. There seems to be pretty plentiful. And BMW's had the issue with a lot of the newer cars. They're just not bringing the resale value they should be. If you went out and bought, let's give for instance, you went out and bought a brand new 328xi, right? What is that, $55,000 or whatever. As soon as you drive it off the lot, it's not worth $55,000 anymore, right? It's worth about 30 or 27. Fast forward a year or two later, 16, 15. We see stuff all the time on their 2015 models for 11 grand, 12 grand. That's a horrible resale value. I think that's what's damaged the fiber of the i8 a lot. And it is a good looking car. Just, is there a demand for it in the market? I really don't think so, right? So take that for what you will. That's my opinion of it. That's my old man opinion of it. It's just a non-fitting car. Now, if the price gets cheap enough, will I buy one? Well, yeah. Will it be a pain to own? Yeah, probably it will. Anything to do with batteries. The lithium-ion battery technology just is not, it's better than what it was a couple years ago. It's just not there, right? When you could buy a new Tesla for 50 to 60 to on up, that gets way more range and makes way better power, people are going to buy that. Would I buy that in a broken used state? No, hell no, I wouldn't. It has the same issue. It has those damn batteries. The batteries is the Achilles heel of a hybrid or a full electric car for future owners. And that's going to kill the value of that car. The car industry does not seem to understand that. And we had a lot of the laws lifted this past year on the mandatory electric cars all the manufacturers are supposed to be making, but they seem to want to go ahead and push forward to that anyway. And we saw the changeover from regular gasoline engines to the smaller displacement turbo gasoline engines, and now to electric. And that didn't work either, but what they do just kept doing it. They're so obsessed with the environment and everything that they're going to do that no matter if it takes them down or not. And it's beyond me. Some people have different opinions of that. That's what I see happening from my standpoint, from my side of view. And the i8, I'm afraid it's doomed, boys. There you go. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. We'll see you later.